Hello guys, mag-unboxing din si Ate Marley ng kanyang
Alice
Alam na.
from Victoria's Secret. Big, Big Break.
Social naman ito atom.
Hmm.
Yan, so,
Ayan, tapos na ang aming Christmas lunch. Unboxing. Oh, nakita ang ate. Nakita ang
ay, ang dami naman scotch tape.
parang ayaw pa buksan ate.
Yeah.
So, it seems like I don't want her to open. Ang dami daw is scotch tape, bitch.
Ayaw pa open.
Ayaw pa buksan.
Lalayas na ako, marami na akong gifts.
Oh, layas lang.
Anong layas? Bahay mo to? Kami ang
Para
lalayas.
isuot mo na yan para Christmas.
Ano naman yun? Akala ko ba ayaw niya patulog? Ay? Ayan.
Punitin mo na ate. Kasi,
Sayang nga eh.
hindi mo na magamit ulit.
Oo, kasi maliit.
You're going to show it to someone in the Philippines.
Ibigay niya sa akin ng Marley na ano. Nakalive ko.
Ah, hindi man naka-live. Ano lang yun?
Tara naman. Ito yung secret.
Dati. Ay,
Ah, ano yun ate?
akala ko Chanel.
Ah, can't afford ako ate. Can't
Ay,
afford.
ayan, may pabango na tayo.
Hmm. May pabango at lotion na siya.
Hindi na ako maliligo ng 1 week.
She's not going to take shower 1 week. She's going to
Thank you, Melanie. Mwah. Ay!
Ikaw din.
Match!
Match!
Wow!
Hoy, suotin mo na yan, Bitya, para maka-Christmas ka na rin.
Oh, what a color. See?
Magkakaano.
It's going to.
Thank you, Melanie.
You got ate.
We have something in common, okay? Wait that until tomorrow.
And then, dapat itry mo ate yung isa. Bubuksan mo
Ayun.
dapat.
Yun yata, yun eh.
Pasaway.
Meron pang isa. Ito.
Mhm.
I don't have to, take shower for 1 week. I just,
Oh, you just freshen up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
Oh, not
Spray
good.
and lotion.
It's good.
Right here, man.
Panitin mo natin, huwag mo nang i-reuse. Next year.
Ewan,
I-reuse
alam
talaga.
mo pati sa kwan, kapag ng mga bills, kahit bills lang, ginugunting ko
Sinisisar
yan.
mo.
Ewan ko ba? Nasanay?
Pag excited, nagmamadali. Wala, hindi na naisip mag-scissor. Sige, ipakita mo dito. Just try it. Ayan na yun ate. Sana magkasya. Hindi mo matry.
Ano ba yan? Ito siya. Ay, ang cute. Ito siya.
Ah?
Talagang secret. And this underwear. Oh, it's cute.
That's extra small, sis.
Itong soup ko, alam mo, bumili ako ng 2 box ng, ano yun yung...
Suin?
Oo. Hanggang ngayon,
Yung panglula, maganda siya. Pero ngayon, naaanuhan ako kasi may garter dito. Mas gusto ko yung ano.
Wow.
Look at that! Christmas! Hindi mo sinabi kasi Merry
You
Christmas!
have to go with me to Brazil like that. Yeah. People go to Walmart like that.
Yeah, I know.
I ain't got no
I
clue.
know. I
I
know.
don't understand.
But, don't. Really.
I tell you something. This guy, he was buying
Ayan na,
batteries,
guys.
car batteries.
Ano, okay na?
A woman was stealing them from Walmart.
Hmm.
You know how she got them out?
Mm.
She took a battery up her dress and held it between her legs.
Oh my
Bitya, oh, meron na
Since
si
she was a big
ate.
lady.
Oh, the battery's heavy.
Sabi ko,
I
i-try niya.
know.
How did you
Yan
do
na.
that?
Really, that's what I thought.
Magayon, kasya. Kasya.
I said,
Guys,
she got
si
some
Melanie,
grit down there.
natin
don't she?
regalo sa akin. Look, last year the black and white.
Ate, try mo.
Oh my gosh.
Just joking. You cannot find her anymore.
Hey,
You cannot find her.
Last year, Melanie, give me this.
I was at Food Line one day and this guy said, "Can I help
Oh,
you?"
parehas.
Ay, tama lang.
Hey,
Parehas.
I was at Food Line and this guy said, "Can I help you?" And I said,
Tingnan
"Yeah,
mo,
my
kasya lang
wife,
sa
she's about
kanya.
this tall."
Ate, kasya. Pati makita mo dito.
Oh, Bloomie.
Teka, ito.
Oh, but
Match. Sige na nga, match.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
Mas ng
Friday.
Victoria's Secret. Ayun, model ng Victoria's Secret.
I get old man going.
Oy, sisikat ka na Ate Marlene. Model ng Victoria's Secret.
Honey, I said that'll get the old man going.
Oh, no.
She went.
They just housemates.
Yeah.
They sent to other room.
That's how we are.
Yeah.
I joke.
Yeah.
Ano na,
I
Bitya?
sleep
Ganda na ng
upstairs,
outfit
she
mo.
sleep downstairs with the
Yeah.
other dog. I sleep with the other dog
She sleep with
upstairs.
Bella.
Uh-uh.
I said, you this housemate.
When I want to talk
Hey.
to him nighttime, I just go on his
Go
house.
home, tell him one pair of them his.